Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken Submarine in GTA V. First, you need to complete the Death at Sea mission, which is a Strangers and Freaks mission given by Abigail. Finishing this mission unlocks the Kraken for purchase. Once unlocked, you can buy it from the Dock Tease website within the game. Make sure you have enough in-game cash, as it costs $1,325,000. To purchase your Kraken, simply open your in-game phone or use a computer at a safe house. Go to the internet browser and find the Travel and Transport section. From there, click on the Dock Tease website. Browse through the available water vehicles until you find the Kraken Submarine. Select it, confirm your purchase, and the funds will be deducted from your account. After your purchase, the Kraken will be delivered to the nearest accessible body of water. You'll see an icon on your map indicating its location. Simply head over to the marked spot, approach the submarine, and you'll get a prompt to enter. Once inside, you can explore the vast ocean depths. To store it, drive it into a personal hangar or a designated dock. With your new Kraken, you can dive deep and explore the expansive underwater world of Los Santos. Keep an eye out for hidden packages and other collectibles that are often found beneath the waves. The submarine's sonar is incredibly useful for pinpointing interesting locations and avoiding obstacles. Also, for making meal prep easy, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.